Hey, buddy, pull up. I've got to share this with you, founder style. Your legacy applications? They're probably quietly killing your vibe. Outdated tech means glitches, slow speeds, tough maintenance, and missing out on cloud perks. Data risks, no mobile-friendly access, compliance headaches, plus burning cash on patches instead of progress. Ever feel that frustration building, like your business is stuck in quicksand? Trust me, I stared at the same mess. But flip it around. It's simpler than you think. Migrate smart. Thorough roadmap, code updates to modern PHP and Node.js. Database shifts for speed. Integrations that click. Revamp UI, add security layers, automate the boring stuff. End up with a high-performance system that's secure, scalable, and easy to grow. Feels like a fresh start, doesn't it? We live for helping with that at ksofttechnologies.com. Down-to-earth experts in legacy migrations, delivering smooth transitions with full support. We'll listen to your story, build the perfect plan, and make it happen without chaos. Quick ROI, like efficiency boosts and peace of mind. Keep it intimate, so act soon. Dash to ksofttechnologies.com. Book your free audit now, and let's modernize together. You've waited long enough. Let's get you flying high.